Hello guys, this is Nati from Information World, and today we continue with the PHP tutorial lessons we have. It's at a long time. I'm sorry, I had an issue, and we are back on board. So we've treated a lot so far, and in today's lesson we will do little of the control structures, to be precise, conditional statement. So control structures. When we say control structures, it means how the program make decisions during execution. How it makes decisions during executions. So we have different types. We have the if conditions, we have the switch, we have also loops. So based on the condition your program finds itself in, you have to query it in a way that, or you have to structure your program in a way that whatever situation it needs, it is able to make something work. So basically that is control structures. And in today's lesson, as I said earlier on, we are going to treat conditional statement. So let's get on board coding. And you're going to treat if condition in this episode, and in the next episode you treat switch. Then move on to loops, for loops, and then while loops for each loops and those stuffs. So I hope you get it on, and then you follow us as you move along. I'll give you other foreign materials that will help you make sense out of this, and then also make you a better programmer. So let's move ahead. So let's first open your Sublime text or any text editor that you want, and then save, and then save. So I'm going to save it here, my first PHP script, and we're going to save it as conditional statement or if condition .php. So you have it here. Now remember, you open your PHP tags and close it over here. So this is the if condition that we're talking about, the if condition, and then you execute the codes in here if the condition is true. So we are going to perform this condition. This is an if condition, and as soon as this condition here, that condition that we placed here is true, everything in the block will be executed. So fair enough, that's it. So now let's do a little demonstration on that. So you're going to declare a variable and then initialize it and give it a data type of string. Let's say a string, and then say name. Let's use name for example, and then say information world. You see, if name is equal to, remember, this equal to here is working as a form of comparison, and this is an assignment equal to. They are two different things altogether. So I'm checking here whether the name the variable name, the variable called name is equal to that. And if it's equal to that, it should execute something here. So let's say hooray, welcome, information world, information world. Okay, so now let's try and then execute it here. The if condition.php. Now you're saying this site can be reached, and I hope you know what it means. If not, let's just go and try and debug it. Remember, I did not fire my XAMPP. I did not start my server. I did not start my server. So let's start our server. See, localhost refused to connect. That means the server has not started yet. Okay, so let's wait a little bit longer for my MySQL to also start. So it is fine and working now. We're saying that if the variable name is equal to information world, then say hooray, welcome information world. Fine. So let's add something here and see. Let's just add some information world tech, and when I execute, nothing shows. So with the if condition, when the condition in the if state, when the condition here is satisfied or is true, then everything here will be executed. So let me just write something here and see what happens. Let me just write true. It worked. When true is true, it's working. But let's check let's check false and see. False. False is not true. False is false. So basically this is about the if condition. If condition. So someone might ask, what if it is false? You have a keyword that also help us to do this, which is called else, the else statement, and you say maybe echo sorry, try again. So let's see what happens. You have sorry, try again. So as soon as the condition is not met and you have your else condition, whatever is in the else condition will be executed. So see, this is true and then this is showing. So this is basically if else condition. But you might have different conditions that has to be satisfied before you get your else condition. So how do you deal with that? So let me add this here. So you've treated if condition only, you've treated else if else condition, and then you're going to you treated if and else condition, and then you're going to if else condition. So we have information world. Let me put this here and say yeah, okay. Now else if another condition is being met. So let's say if remember to bring your two equal to sign, and then we say code line technology What is equal to coder line technology? Do this. Hey there, coder lines. Let me bring my else. Sorry. So let's execute. You have this here. So let me change this to coder lines technology. Fast. Hey there, coder lines. So when you have this structure of conditional statement, and then first check your if condition here. It finds a condition here. If the condition is not true, it moves straight to the else if condition. And if that one is also true, if it is true, it executes it. Else, it will move to the next one, which is the by default it is false. When you say else, it is default. It's a false statement. So whenever your conditions are all not met, you go to your else. But if you have other instances where your condition, your else if or if condition works, it just moves straight there and then works for you. So basically, this is if condition, part of a control structure, and it will help us a lot. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. You like and subscribe to our channel, Information World, and then you have a website called informationworldtech.com. We have reviews, we have iTech, we have how to do stuffs, we have other stuff for you guys. I hope you like and enjoy it, and you share to friends and family so that we all have knowledge of what is going on. Yeah. So once again, I'm Nati from Information World.